Hey guys, so we're just going to be doing a quick little demo for the beginners out there that are just starting to get into programming. So when you're getting into programming, it might be confusing on which type of variable to use, so we're just going to go over all of them. So you can first start out with something called a string. This is basically what you want, like a sentence or a word. You can type any character you want or almost any character you want in between these quotes here, and it won't give you an error, it won't fuss. Moving on to the character or the char, however you want to say it, it can store almost any character, but you can only store one, including a space. So spaces count as character, so it works. Integers are basically any number, positive, negative. Uints are unsigned integers. It's basically you can choose any number from 0 to positive 4 billion, I believe, somewhere around there. And doubles are any number that has a decimal, so it's any number positive, negative, decimal. Now boolean or bool is true or false, so if you would want to say if if you had an if statement and you wanted to determine if a number was a grade or if a certain flag was triggered, you'd want a boolean flag, so you'd say bool is active, let's say, and then you would say if is active equals true. So that's a good way to use bool. And then there's also every single one of these types of arrays. So I just did string for an example, so you can have multiple different strings. So you can have string here, and a string here. So you can make it as big as you want, or pretty much as big as you want before you hit a memory exception. And yeah, it just stores a bunch of strings in an array just with this little character, these two little characters right here. And that's just a quick little demonstration on how variable types are and variable types work. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.